Thank you very much, Vashan. Just 5 votes separated the PNP and JLP candidate last general election, so all eyes are on the Southeast St. Mary's seat. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm spent the day in that constituency, and we now join her live. Andrea?
It's a party-like atmosphere here in Nottoway, Southeast St. Mary. I am at the St. Teresa Catholic Church to be exact, but this is where the counting is going on for the constituency. But what's interesting is what is happening outside, on the outskirts of the St. Teresa Catholic Church. What you should be seeing now on your screens are supporters of both political parties. They are in a rather jubilant mood. You have some of them who were blowing vuvuzelas. Traffic was literally crawling. Some were standing looking. There was a contingent of security personnel there on location, and they're trying to keep the calm here in Nottoway, Southeast St. Mary, as the results keep coming in. But let's pause that for a moment and just take a look with what happened in the constituency today.
Southeast St. Mary in all its glory, covering 4 divisions: Belfield, Nottoway, Castleton and Richmond. The colors of the day, green and orange. Even motor vehicles made a statement. Under the watchful eyes of the security forces, hundreds turned out to vote for either the PNP's Dr. Shane Alexis or the JLP's Dr. Norman Dunn. 25,251 people were eligible to vote. Now, Belfield has been a strong PNP division over the years, winning the 2016 general election by 484 votes and the 2016 local government election by 250. One PNP supporter was asked what if her candidate should lose.
Don't ask me that question, no lose, it's straight ahead. This PD belongs to Sugar Shane.
You see how the condition of the place there? It's a disgrace to see how they treat around here. For 18 years.
What are some of the challenges you have around here?
No job, no water, no road. So we have to try down now to see if him would have, and if him come and him not do nothing, we have put him out too.
We've come and listened to the people, and we're actually with them. We're hearing their cries, and we're showing the solidarity and showing the love and the support. I believe that they were kind of left up, and if you look at the infrastructure around here, it's decaying. The people here are very poor, and they're looking for opportunities.
Peter Bunting agrees that more development is needed in the constituency, but argues that the former PNP members of Parliament, Harry Douglas and the late Dr. Winston Green, did a lot for the area.
Schools, health centers, a tremendous amount of social work. The roads undoubtedly need additional work. We know Dr. Green had made representation, and it is only sad that maybe he's accomplishing in death what he was unable to accomplish in life.
Development issues aside.
Hello Jamaica, the movement in Belfield, all school is very slow. Him say a ID. People don't care no ID. Everybody don't care no ID, so?
They're about it go over 4 hours right now, because people there from before the polling station work. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock the polling station work. And right now, nothing no line now move and nothing now move.
Over in Richmond, the JLP won the 2016 general election by 156 votes. And for the 2016 local government election, they won by 716. Voters were making progress in the Richmond division, but this complaint.
Things were quiet, but we just noticed several busloads of JP supporters, that in green, arriving in the square and occupying the public space. It seems an attempt to intimidate the PNP voters by the numbers of persons here.
I think Mr. Ascot is suffering from dementia as usual. If you look around, you see only persons from the Richmond division who live within Richmond.
The election machinery was also in full swing in the Castleton and Nottoway divisions.